Hi! So let me tell you a little bit about the content cards. So creating content for every brand, whether you are just starting out or growing your brand, is a very important aspect in attracting your audience and engaging your audience. And the challenge that most of us have is actually good ideas that will be the hook that's needed to attract the audience and will keep it engaged. So we've curated the content cards with a mission to help you brainstorm the content ideas that would set the right foundation for your content system. So the content cards, they are structured by questions that you should be asking yourself when creating your content marketing system. So as you can see here, I'm going to lay them out, and all of them have a colored question card. You can use the content cards together with the content canvas and content strategy workbook, or you can use them standalone. So as you see, there are these questions that you need to answer, like what do you want to achieve through content? Which data points will you track to measure content performance? What kind of content could appeal most to your persona? How could your persona discover your product or service? And then it gives you ideas to brainstorm content titles. And then it gives you scorecards to score your content ideas and select the best ideas that you can implement. So each of these mini sets have a question and then a set of answers that you can choose from. So it's really very, very handy. And it's very good if you are running a workshop or if you are working on your own. It works in both of these use cases. Now, when you're using the cards together with the content canvas, as I already mentioned, in the content strategy workbook, there are exactly the pointers marked of when you should be using these cards and where should you be placing these cards on the content canvas. So that at the very end, you will have a fully filled out content canvas that shows you your content marketing system. So check it out. It's really useful and practical tool and the first step in setting a successful content system.